Hi everyone, it's Chris here from selfmadenewbie.com. Welcome to this deep spin poster review. For those of you out there looking for an automatic way to create content, this is going to be for you. What are the advantages of being able to produce automatic content? Number one, if you're creating blogs, affiliate blogs, and you don't have time to create content every day, and you know that more is more when it comes to content, you don't want to be pinged, you want to be an authority site that is always putting out content, this is going to be a tool that you'll be able to use. Another thing is when you are growing your blog, one of the classic ways to sort of hack your audience, get your audience into those bigger numbers quickly, is by siphoning off competitor or similar websites' audiences. The way you do that is you contact the website, you say, hey, I want to do some free content for you on your website. They're generally happy for you to do that. You know, if someone came to me and said, do you want me to create content for your website for free? I would say yes. You're going to be able to do that with a lot of different blogs, and you're going to have the time to do it because you can simply fire off content like that and have it appear on their blog, and you're getting all this traffic. So today we're going to take a deep dive into Deep Spin Poster, take a look at exactly what it can do, an over-the-shoulder walkthrough. As well as that, we're going to go into some really cool bonuses that I've gotten for you that are going to supplement Deep Spin Poster, go hand in hand, and really make sure you hit the ground running when you get started. Before we get into all that though, it'd really help me out if you dropped a like on this video and hit subscribe and turn on the bell notification if you want access to new platforms coming out that are going to help you make money online. Also, if you want to jump ahead to the demo or jump ahead and check out Deep Spin Poster on your own anytime during this video, make sure you click that link in the description first, because you'll be entitled to my free bonus package. When you do click the link in the description, you'll go through to my bonus page. It looks like this: legal stuff at the top, my contact details if you have any problems. And the way this bonus page works is it is integrated with the official Deep Spin Poster sales page. So by going through to this page first and clicking on any of these green buttons, that will lock in all these bonuses, so that if you do go off and then purchase Deep Spin Poster, you will get Deep Spin Poster and all of these bonuses sent to you in one big bundle that you can access immediately. So the first bonus I've gotten for you in that bundle is Niche Marketing Secrets. Now the reason I threw this in there is because whenever you create a blog or a website, the first thing you do, step number one, is find a niche. By trying to please everybody, you please nobody. Find a targeted niche. This is going to help you to pick a niche in a smart way, create a niche brand home, design your niche content system, build a successful niche curation system. So that's definitely going to go hand in hand with Deep Spin Poster. How to promote content systematically, how to become a niche authority quickly, maximizing SEO, monetizing your brand, and optimizing your brand all systematically. So a great bonus there. The second bonus I've gotten for you is called Modern Affiliate Marketing. Now this is going to go hand in hand with the last bonus and really go deeper on how you can use your blog in order to generate income via affiliate marketing, affiliate links. Some topics covered is picking the best niches for the products that are currently trending, how to create systems, niche product conversion systems. You've got stuff on SEO, creating backlinks. There's some help on being proactive as far as your social media content creation goes, forums, question answer blogs like Quora, Yahoo Answers, if that's still around, and getting third-party blog traffic. So a lot in there, a lot to learn. The third bonus I've gotten for you is called Simple Social Content. What this is going to do is help you take that content that you're generating with Deep Spin Poster, generating content with a click of a button. And the best thing to do after you can do that is really throw it onto different social media platforms, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and maybe just spend your time editing it maybe a little bit, just to put it in the language that people are used to on that platform. This is going to tell you how to be effective on all those social media platforms, how to do content in the right way on each platform, so you are proactively going out, getting your audience and pushing them back to that content that you've just created. So the next bonus is kind of out of right field, but it's really helping me out with a lot of things lately, and it's a new product. It's called Facebook Groups Unleashed, and this teaches you how to utilize Facebook groups. Depending on what your niche is, this might be more valuable to some of you than others, but Facebook groups are so targeted. There's people in those groups that are looking for help, they're looking for content, they're looking for answers to the questions they have, and that kind of stuff, gives you a source of content. People are asking certain questions, to create content around that question. You're giving the people what they want. That is a definite way to drive traffic back to your content, to your site. So I threw that in there because it's helping me. I think it will also help you. Bonus number 5, I've gotten full access to the vendor bonuses. They've hooked me up with these bonuses to give to you. Really quickly, the first one is called Content Marketing Mastery. You can pause this video and read those descriptions. Bonus 2 is Blogging is Back, Baby. A step-by-step blueprint for building high-income blog in 2009. Bonus 3, Own Your Niche. And Owning Your Niche, a 36-page transcript of an interview with renowned marketing consultant Mark Gamble, in which he offers tactics for perfecting every aspect of online customer acquisition. Super, super informative, valuable. You're going to get a lot out of those. So if that all sounds good to you, again, it's step 1. Click that link in the description. You go to the bonus page. You click on these green buttons. That locks in your bonuses before launching you off to the Deepspin's poster sales page, which looks like this. I'd recommend going through it, looking at what it does, how it works. Testimonials there, demos are there, seeing all the functions and features, so of course you can make a more informed decision about whether it's right for you. If you do decide to purchase, this is a JVZoo product or stored on JVZoo, so you'll get a digital receipt that looks like this, and under the green button will be Deepspin poster and your credentials and whatnot, and under the blue button will be all those bonuses we just talked about. So for now, we're going to get into that over-the-shoulder walkthrough demo of Deepspin Poster. So let's check it out.
Introducing Deepspin Poster, a revolutionary new tool and system for climbing the search engine rankings using the only method that is always and will always be effective. Here's how it works. You create one good source document, and from that document, the Deepspin Poster can output an endless number of original articles which will all pass Copyscape with a grade of 100% original and pass a human reader test as well. In fact, the quality of the output articles is so good, you can even submit them for guest posts on high-authority blogs. You see, Deepspin Poster uses a new technique called deep block spinning. The secret is in the source document structure. This unique compilation method utilizes complete sentence variations. It allows the user to shuffle the sentence order within paragraphs, shuffle the paragraph order within the article, and select a random number of paragraphs to output. Individual sentences and paragraphs can be fixed in place where desired. When traditional spin tax is applied to the sentences, the result is an astronomical amount of unique articles from a single source document. Deepspin Poster lives in your Chrome browser and can output articles to web forms or to text files. With several convenient access points, it also comes with built-in functions for organizing your published articles and can one-click post their links on social media sites. Get your own copy of Deepspin Poster today and start posting your way to the top.
All right, I hope you enjoyed that demo. I hope you're excited to see what you can get out of Deepspin Poster, what it can do for you, how much time and effort it's going to save you. So again, if you go through to my bonus page, you will find a little description here with the pricing. So it is just a one product thing, $48. It's an early bird price, okay? This is going to go up after launch week. It's going to actually double. It's going to go up to $96 to stay in line really with the market rate. There are basically 2 tools out there that are spinning content in this way using block spinning. And so, you know, they don't want to go too cheap, but they are going to do you a favor and do $48 initially. Comes with a full 7-day money-back guarantee if it's not really working for you. So basically, the faster you get in, the more you get for the least price. If you do have any questions, Feel free to hit me up in the comments, on my social media, in my email. I reply to everybody. I check multiple times a day. If not, hope you love Deep Spin Poster. Hope you love those bonuses, and I'll catch you again on the next video. Take care.